How are you? Fine? Great. So you all are feeling refreshed? या अभी sleepy है? Not? Great. Nice. So class, now it's time that you have to leave all your laziness and you have to be punctual and particular towards your classes. As we have already started it since Friday, so please be regular with your classes. Some of your parents are complaining कि मैम ये सोते रहते हैं, they don't wake up on time and all. No, it's not like that. So you have to get back to your routine once again. Okay? So moving towards our today's classes, let's see what is the date today. So today is 19th January 2021. And what is the day? It's Tuesday. Yes. And on Tuesday, we start our classes with English period. Yes. So can you tell me, before going for vacations, क्योंकि आधे से ज़्यादा बच्चे तो भूल ही गए होंगे. So before going for vacations, which all alphabets and sounds we have completed? Can anyone tell me that? Yes, class, we have completed lot of alphabets and sounds. So let's have a quick revision of all these alphabets. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D. So A, B, C, D. ऐसे बोलेंगे? No. We are going to say it in a different way. How is that? Okay, I'll do it here. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L. Isn't it? After this we did M, N, O, P. And then we did Q, R, S, T, W. So we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23 sounds. So many sounds we have already done, isn't it? Let's have a revision once again. A, B, K, D. अब आप जो ये कर्सिव अल्फाबेट्स लिखते हैं ना हम लोग, you will not say them A, B, C, D. We are going to say them A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, W. Clear? This is how we say the sounds. And when we were doing these sounds, ma'am has also taught you different things that begin with these sounds. After understanding, after identifying the pictures of those things, we have learned the sound. Isn't it? So today again, I am here with you to teach you a new sound. Can you identify the pictures that I have already drawn on the board? They are very much familiar to you because we have already completed the capital alphabet of these pictures. Today I am just going to explain you the sound. So what is this? Something which mama, papa, didi, bhaiya and sometimes even you all like to wear it on your hand. What is it? Yes, we have different cartoon. Watch. Yes, what is it? It's a watch. So how we are going to write it? With which alphabet it begins? watch. It begins with W. Yes. So we are going to write watch. So class, one is watch. Now can you tell me what picture is this? We make it in our home. जब भी हमें घर बनाना है, any building we want to construct, हमें कोई भी building को construct करना है, we need to make these. इन्हीं की help से हम buildings को बनाते हैं. So what are this? What is this? It's a wall, यानी कि दीवार. अब आप देखिए आपका बोर्ड कहाँ हैंग हो रहा है? वॉल पे. आप जिस रूम में बैठे हैं उसमें चारों तरफ क्या है? वॉल है. वॉल ही तो उस रूम को बना रही है. Isn't it? So कोई भी बिल्डिंग हो गई, आपका रूम, आपका घर, आपकी फ्रेंड का हाउस, आपके नेबर्स, आपका स्कूल, एनीथिंग, they are all constructed by constructing wall. So what is it? It's a wall. Wall यानी दीवार. Okay, again it is beginning with alphabet W. Now we all know winters are going on. Again winters. क्या कौन सा मौसम चल रहा है? विंटर सीजन है. What type of clothes we wear? We wear woolen clothes. Yes, हम कौन से कपड़े पहनते हैं? Woolen वाले, जो मम्मा wool से बनाती हैं. So what is this? It's a wool. क्या है ये? Wool. ऊन जिसको कहते हैं हम. ऊनी कपड़े पहनते हैं जो मम्मा wool से बनाती हैं, या हम मार्केट से भी लाते हैं. जो स्वेटर्स होते हैं हमारे, वो किससे बनते हैं? They are all made of wool. And from where we get it? From sheep. तो sheep से जो wool मिलता है उसको हम उससे क्या करते हैं? We make different sweaters and we wear them to keep ourselves warm. So what is this? It's a wool. Again. Now can you tell me which alphabet we are actually talking about today? हम आज कौन से अल्फाबेट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? We are going to learn the sound of alphabet W. Yes. So you all know how to write capital W? How we have learned writing it? We begin from this point, come down, then from the lower blue line we go up, come down once again, and we go once again up. Like this we write W. Starting from the red line, ऊपर top line से begin करते हैं. We come down with a slanting line. Again a slanting line goes up. फिर से एक slanting line आती है नीचे. And after touching this line, we go up once again. This is how I have taught you to write capital alphabet W. Isn't it? Now, let us understand the sound of this alphabet. Can you identify which fruit is this? The one that comes in summer season? We all like to eat it very much. It's green from outside. Once you cut it, you'll find red juicy pulp in it. जब हम इसको कट करेंगे तो अंदर से बहुत रेड कलर का juicy pulp निकलता है, जिसको खाने में बहुत मजा आता है. So which fruit is this? Can you tell me? It's a watermelon. Yes, it's a watermelon. Now, अभी we all know that anytime we need water, हमें क्या करना है? We open the tap and we fill the water. But in earlier time क्या होता था, जब घर पे water नहीं आता था हमारे, तो we used to go somewhere जहाँ से मम्मा बकेट को नीचे डालती थी. Then we used to pull it out with the help of a string. एक बहुत लंबी रस्सी बंधी होती थी, उसको हम ऊपर खींचते थे और बकेट पानी की आ जाती थी. So what we used to call that, वो ऐसे दिखता है. If you will go to any village these days, तो आपको शायद villages में भी एक दो जगह मिल जाएंगे. So we call it a well, यानी कि कुआं. ठीक है? So what we call that कुआं in English? We call it well. It's a well. Understood? Now one thing more which I want to in your classroom, at your home. What is it? From where we get fresh air, light. अभी भी बोर्ड पे जो लाइट आ रही है, from both the sides it is coming in your classroom through a window. Yes, खिड़की जिसको कहते हैं. तो ये कहाँ से आ रही है लाइट? ये लाइट आ रही है विंडो से. So what we call it? It's a window. Clear? Now class, whenever we are saying the word watch, wool, wall, well, watermelon, window, then we have water. पानी पीते हैं हम. Again, that water is from W. Then we have winter, जो सीजन चल रहा है. Winter is also from W. You must have learned about windmill, पवन चक्की, isn't it? That windmill. Then wind, wind क्या होती है? जो बहुत ठंडी और बहुत तेज हवा चलती है. So class, whenever we are saying anything that is having alphabet W in it, तो आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे, you will understand the sound. And to understand it more clearly, what you have to do, just look at the formation of my lips. I am saying water, watch, winter, wind, wool, well. देखिए, आपने अगर ध्यान से देखा होगा तो मैम की जो लिप है, जो दोनों लिप्स हैं मैम के, वो एक ओ का फॉर्मेशन बना रहे हैं एंड द एयर इज कमिंग आउट. अब आपको क्या करना है? ओपन योर माउथ, कीप इट हियर एंड से व. तो आप देखिए आपको यहाँ पे एयर टच करेगी, ठंडी ठंडी एयर लगेगी आपको. बोलो वॉच, विंडो, वूल. तो ओ की फॉर्मेशन में अपने लिप्स को बनाइए एंड जस्ट से व. बाहर की तरफ एयर को थ्रो करेंगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक द करेक्ट साउंड ऑफ अल्फाबेट W, दैट इज व. नाउ हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड इट? देखिए अल्फाबेट हिंदी में आपका व्यंजन होता है व से वक होती है आपका हिंदी व्यंजन. और हिंदी में एक और व्यंजन होता है ह से हाथी. अब क्या हुआ? इन दोनों ने मिलके क्या बनाया? व. बट हम व और ह वह होता है, लेकिन अब हम क्या करेंगे? जो हमारा व है उसको हम हाफ कर देंगे, यानी कि ये डंडा हटा देंगे. तो जो हमारा व है उसकी हाफ साउंड और ह की पूरी साउंड को मिला के क्या बना? व. अंडरस्टूड? आधा व और ह, जब इन दोनों को हमने मिक्स किया तो हमें आवाज आई व. एंड दिस व इज द साउंड ऑफ अल्फाबेट W. Is that clear? So how you are going to write? Like this. The sound of alphabet W is W. Clear हुआ सबको? W, watch, W. देखो जब भी मैम W बोल रही है, lips हमेशा एक सर्कल फॉर्मेशन बना रही है. Then we have wool, we have wall, we have watermelon, we have well, we have window, water, winter. Then there are a lot of things. Wolf. Then we have wood. Yes, wood. लकड़ी. ये डस्टर है, ये वुड से बना हुआ होता है, लकड़ी से. तो लकड़ी की कोई भी चीज, उसको लकड़ी के लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? Wood. So wood. Understand? What is the sound of alphabet W? The sound is W. Now let's see how to write cursive alphabet W. See class, cursive alphabets हमेशा इन दो blue lines के बीच में ही लिखने हैं हमें. Always. So let's see how to write that. Goa, like this. कुछ नहीं है, सेम फॉर्मेशन है कैपिटल की तरह, बस वो फॉर्मेशन जैसे हमने यहाँ 3 लाइंस में करी थी, अब आपको सिर्फ इन 2 में करनी है. बट यू हैव अ स्टार्टिंग टेल एंड अ एंडिंग टर्न. स्टार्टिंग में टेल लगानी है और एंड में एक टर्न करके खत्म करना है हमें अल्फाबेट. क्लियर? लेट्स सी वंस अगेन. Like this, you will touch both the blue lines of the you will touch both these blue lines in the formation of alphabet W. Clear to everyone how you are going to do it? Now let's see in the notebook. You will understand it clearly. But before that, you have to do your classwork in the book. So in your book, open page number 53 and 55. 53 and 55. So these 2 pages are your classwork and your homework is to practice cursive alphabet W with pictures in your notebook. So let's see how to do that. Okay class? So class, now let's see how we are going to practice writing cursive alphabet W in our notebook. Is that clear to everyone? So first of all, open your English notebook and write today's date. So what is the date today class? I told you it's 19 January 2021. So like this, you will mention the date 19 January 2021 and also write homework. Sorry, it's not your classwork, it's your homework. So please write homework. Clear? Next, write down the topic, the alphabet that we have learned today, that is W, and the sound is W. What is the sound of alphabet W? W. As in we have watermelon, wall. So I have drawn these 2 pictures. You can draw any picture you want. The one I have drawn on the board, or you can take other pictures of your choice. But the beginning sound of those pictures should be W. Understood? Now let's see how to write this alphabet in our notebook. Can you see I have some dots here on the page? So this is the place we are going to do the work. So let's begin like this. देखिए इसको यहाँ से थोड़ा सा इन दोनों के बीच में से you can make a tail, then make a W and a turn. ठीक है? Like this you will write your cursive alphabet W. Have a closer look once again. Like this. जो 2 blue lines हैं उनके center में से you have to begin your tail and make it like this. Understood? जैसे आप कैपिटल में दोनों सारी लाइंस को टच करते हैं, these 3 lines ऐसे ही आप कर्सिव में भी करोगे. These 2 lines, not the 3 one, okay? Like this. This is how you will write cursive alphabet W. समझ में आया? How you are going to do? Now what you have to do? You have to complete this whole page as your today's homework. Now I have one more homework for you for your tomorrow. So tomorrow you are going to practice writing cursive A to W. How you are going to do that? We'll write tomorrow's date 20th January 2021 and write down homework. ठीक है, अब कैसे स्टार्ट करना है? लाइक दिस, ए ब क ड ई फ ग ह. Then we have E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Then we have Q, R, S, T, A, V, W. Clear? So like this you will do your practice work tomorrow in your English notebook. So these are the two work. Your alphabet W, the sound W is your today's homework, and you will practice A to W tomorrow in your notebook as your tomorrow's homework. Clear everyone? So class, I hope that you have understood the sound of alphabet W, how to write this alphabet in cursive format. It's time for you to finish your work, and after doing your classwork and homework, don't forget, please, I'm requesting you all, don't forget to practice your phonic rhyme every day, because अब vacations आ गई बीच में, so वो जो regularity थी, I know it's all gone. अब आपको क्या करना है? Few of you must have forgotten all the sounds also. So what you have to do? Just revise your phonics song again and again, so that you all are thorough with your sounds. So which is the phonic song we have? Apple on the tree says eh eh eh. Bat and ball says b b b. Clever pussycat says k k k. Dimpy the drum says da da da. Apple on the tree says eh eh eh. Bat and ball says b b b. Clever pussycat says k k k. Dimpy the drum says da da da. Ellie the elephant a. Finny the fish says f f f. Grumpy the goat says g g g. Grumpy the goat says g g g. Hat and the horse says h h h. Hat and the horse says h h h. So अब याद आ गई मैम कौन सी पोएम की बात कर रही है? You have to revise this poem till alphabet W. Is that clear to all of you? Bye for now and get ready for your next class. Take care.